Hi Viviana Tutor, this is my video recording for Tax 4. My opinion about the climate effects caused by technology. Um, Continue some positive effects. If the use of gasoline cars stopped, there will be less damage to the ozone layer. Electric cars are a very good alternative to stop the use of cars with gasoline. If the use of renewable energy is unchanged, the emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants contributing to climate change will be reduced. Some negative effects: if deforestation continues, the animals will lose their habitat and the ecosystem will be destabilized. Fossil fuels, nuclear disasters, and car exhaust are causing the greenhouse effect or surface warming. If we follow this way, the planet will soon be a desert. If current trend continue, I consider a climate change that will come soon. Global warming is happening today and is warning us that we must stop consumption, the need and desire for power and money. Industries are very polluting and there is no limitation. There are more and more people on earth and fewer animals. Consumption becomes massive and at the same time there are more products that are harmful to the environment. We will harm ourselves by battling our emotions with communication and with the industries or environment because the lands will become infertile by cutting down trees and burning them. Oil and other chemicals also damage the land. I think that later with current trends, there will be a technological world that will do everything for us and replace a natural world, and the food will be scarce. At home, we should use dirty water for the toilet, try not to consume canned products, avoid the consumption of unnecessary products, save water, recycle products, and sell them. The United Nations addresses global issues such as climate change, ozone depletion, toxic waste, loss of forests and species, and air and water pollution. If these problems are not addressed, markets and economies will eventually become unsustainable, as the loss of the environment is depleting the natural capital that forms the basis for growth and human survival. Other United Nations conventions and action plans help preserve biological diversity, protect endangered species, fight desertification, clean up the seas, and curb transborder movements of hazardous waste. I hope that is so. Thanks.